Okay, so now let's go over page 30. And this page we have the key concept, the most important um, uh, lesson of the whole unit. Okay, in this case over here it says when subtracting integers such as a minus b, you can use the additive inverse, okay, to write a subtraction as an equivalent addition expression. So in other words, it's saying that if you have a minus b, a and b can be any numbers, you can write those as this. Okay, that's it. You are, if you subtract two numbers, it's the same as adding a positive from a negative. So this addition is, if we turn a subtraction problem to an addition problem, you actually use the additive inverse. In this case, you're adding a negative b. Okay, that's all it is, and it's simple as that. And I would also add that if you have something like this, that turns into a positive. Okay, that's very important for you to know. Very important. Okay. So knowing that, I'm gonna go ahead and just have you skip these two problems because those are discussions, and today I'm not there, so I'm gonna just have you skip that and go to problems 4 through 8, and then I'm not gonna go over 5 or 6, but I am gonna go over number 4 because it's a word problem. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this. Okay, so let's read. It was 12 degrees Celsius when Preston got home from school. Okay, so it was 12 degrees Celsius. The weather report shows a storm front moving in that will drop the temperature by 17 degrees. Okay, so we got 12 degrees at the beginning, and you have a drop. You know, if you take a look at the word operation words posters, you can see that drop means subtraction. So you have that. So what's the question? What's the expected temperature? Okay, so let's just take a look at this. I'm gonna pick a different color and analyze this. So you have 12 degrees, okay, and you're gonna drop by 17 degrees. Okay, what's my answer? Okay, you know that this just equals 12 plus a negative 17. Same thing, right? By the key concept, you can pull this, and you have different signs, right? This is a plus 12. This is a negative 17. So you find the difference of the absolute values, and then you keep the sign of the biggest ones. In this case, the biggest absolute value is 17. So I know that it's negative, and I know that 17 absolute value of 17 minus absolute value of 12 is just equal to 17 minus 12. Okay, and that's just 5. So we know the answer is negative 5. Negative 5 degrees. So that's going to be the expected temperature that day. Okay, so that's it. That's going to be the example. So now, knowing this, please complete 5 and 6, and please copy my work, and don't forget to skip 2, 1, 2, and 3.